Hello, this is Kristine Glockler going over the Plainfield, Illinois, March 2022 real estate market update. So this information is looking at, we have the most recent market data from February. Those numbers are in, everything is a month later. So I wanted to go over what is happening in Plainfield. So the median sales price was $335 February 2022. For comparison, I went back to February of 2019. The median sales price was $245,500. So a big difference from then until now. Our real estate market is doing great things for sellers right now. The average sales price in February was $371,578. And the average sales price in February of 2019 was $265,832. Right now, it is very much a seller's market. The monthly supply of inventory is low. And usually as the monthly supply of inventory goes around 6 months, meaning it would take 6 months to sell the inventory available, which it is a lot lower than that right now. That is pretty much more of a neutral market. So not a buyer's market, not a seller's market. Anything above 6 months is more of a buyer's market. Of course, no one can predict the future, but with the shortage of inventory and the buyer demand and mortgage rates going up, and there still being a good amount of buyers out looking, it could be a while before we enter more of a neutral market. Now, something to consider is real estate is very local and very property and price specific. So take into consideration national statistics versus local. That's why I do these local real estate market updates. It also depends, in our most common price ranges in the local market really is anything around 450 and under for the most part. That's one of the most common price ranges, that range, right? From the lowest price to about that 450, 500,000 in our local market. Naturally, as home prices go up, the buyer pool, so to speak, the number of buyers able to be pre-approved for that or want to spend that amount usually gets smaller. So that's when I say, real estate is very local, very price, and very property specific. It's important to note because a lot of times I'm asked as highly experienced agent, how's the market? Well, it really depends. Are you looking to buy, sell, invest? And what particular market within that? And then I can definitely give, the best answer and insight about that. So the homes for sale, this is something, right? There is a lot of buyer demand and not a lot of homes for sale. And this shows exactly that. So in February, there were 88 homes for sale. Now, these are all property types in Plainfield, single family, so it's not multi-units. In February of 2019, there were 340 properties for sale. So there is significantly less inventory now than there was then. Homes sold. In February, there were 93 homes sold. And in February 2019, there were 84 homes sold. Now, a lot of that has to do in Plainfield with a variety of factors. Back in 2019, the market was a little bit different in that there wasn't as much new construction. And so in February of 2022, there is a good amount of homes, new construction homes being sold, being built, etc. So that is the Plainfield, Illinois real estate market update for March 2022. If you have any questions, if you're thinking of buying, selling, investing in the local market, let's talk. Reach out. You can email, call. Let's have a conversation, because it really is advantageous for sellers. If you're on the fence thinking of selling sometime this year, it can really be advantageous to sell sooner rather than later, since mortgage rates are going up and again buyer affordability goes down. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day.